Hey everyone, Jason here with PCS.
My name's Eddie. I'm with Wastequip.
How long you been with PCS?
We started with PCS in 2021.
2021. How have you liked it so far?
It's been great. We use it for truckload and LTL. I'm mostly on the LTL side, but yeah, we're enjoying it.
How are you liking, obviously the vision of 2021 till fast forward till now and the products and the AI that we're coming out with? What's your expectations on that?
Honestly, I'm kind of interested to see where you guys go with it and what you're gonna do with it. I'm not super well versed in that stuff to begin with, but it does sound like you guys have some interesting stuff going on. The one that I'm looking forward to is what do they call it? The natural speech question.
Yeah, I'm building that in so you can just search through everything.
Right. My life up to this point is filters, and to be able to just ask it a direct question and get right to it. Yeah, is interesting.
With the direction we're going, we're looking at utilizing your time and just being more efficient with that, because that equals to more productivity, more revenue.
Right.
And people spend hours going through filters. So think about that over the cost of that year. There's tons of savings in that.
Yeah, absolutely.
When you've had issues with PCS, say maybe something in the software, or you've needed help being walked through something, how's customer service help you go through that?
So for me, I'm very much on the LTL world. PCS has been historically more geared towards truckload shipping. So what I would say is that the LTL stuff has certainly come a long way. They take a lot of feedback from me. I certainly try to give them the best that I can. So
Sure.
I think that there's still some room for improvement on that, but I'm looking forward to seeing how they continue to develop the program. So,
and that's what we love when we've gotten feedback. One thing that we're able to do as a team this size is we're able to really input that and make it customizable to you. So those things that you've requested, we've been able to roll out, maybe not immediately, but over time to help your company be more efficient.
Right, and we have a lot of custom configurations on it as well, especially with the LTL stuff.
Usually when people are thinking of something as a TMS, it's a huge investment because you got to get everybody on board. You got to train everybody. What was your onboarding process like when you switched over?
So for us, it was pretty seamless, honestly. I had a lot of meetings with our account manager, John. We really got our hands around it quickly enough that I then became the subject matter expert for all of our people internally and all our suppliers, and led a lot of the trainings there, created documentation and things like that. So I feel like I've got a good grasp of how it works down.
And we've really been designed that way to make it user friendly, so that onboarding it, like someone can be the user expert very quickly to help train everybody else, but also it's that user friendly, everybody else can pick up on that.
Right.
What would one thing maybe you would say to people looking at PCS?
What you see right out of the box, it doesn't necessarily have to be the way that it's going to be. If you have custom things you want to change, I think that's one of the biggest advantages of someone like PCS versus some of the bigger options out there, is the flexibility and the willingness to sort of change it to cater to whatever your specific needs are.
Absolutely. One thing that we've learned is other players is like just even take a phone call is, $100 an hour. So we wanted to eliminate that model and really be customer service oriented and listen to you and provide that feedback and give you the changes you need, because every operation's different.
Right.
Going back to the broad things that PCS does, what's maybe the number one way that we've helped you be more efficient or helped your bottom line that PCS has been able to do?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest things our company loves is the load board. Being able to post everything out to our carriers and the carriers that we have honed in on, as opposed to just posting out to the market to everybody, has been phenomenal for us. We use it every single day, dozens of times.
So when you're using that load board, you're just posting them on there and it's only going to pre-approved carriers that you use.
Right. Carriers we have contracts with that we know we can trust. It's not broadcast out to every single carrier out there, which we have to do the vetting for then.
Especially in this market, you just get hounded with phone calls as soon as you post it on there. So keeping it within that network, I'm sure you have like a 99% acceptance rate through that network, that you don't have to reach out to other carriers.
And it helps us build relationships, because we no longer have to have the one-off for every single shipment. This is a carrier that we want to continue to do business with, so we can continue to give volume to the ones that we like working with.
Which streamlines the whole process, because you don't need to do a new carrier packet. Yeah, right. They're all set up within the system.
Absolutely.
It's awesome. Thank you.